When we think about starting a business, the process usually begins with a simple concept. Someone pays us for a product or service. We do the work, and at the end of the day, we generate a profit. It's a straightforward model. Input money, do the work, and output profit. This model forms the basis of most business plans and early-stage operations. But as businesses grow and become more complex, that straightforward path starts to shift. We introduce departments, tools, and technologies to improve different parts of the business. That's where continuous improvement comes in. Each department works to become more efficient on its own. For example, implementing Solidworks might make engineering 20% more efficient. Adding Six Sigma to manufacturing could improve productivity by another 15%. Quality assurance introduces new tools. Logistics and shipping departments optimize their workflows. These are all great improvements, but they often happen in isolation. The real challenge begins when we try to connect the flow of data and information between those departments. Each team operates within its own system, using its own tools and methods. The result? Gaps, delays, and lost efficiency. Not because people aren't doing their jobs, but because the tools and data aren't aligned. That's where the idea of a platform becomes essential. A platform isn't just a solution for engineering or CAD users. A true business platform is company-wide. It's designed to connect each department, allowing data to flow seamlessly, from engineering to operations to manufacturing to quality and on to logistics and finance. When we talk about platforms, we're talking about bringing the entire organization into sync, not just making departments faster, but making the handoffs between departments smoother and more reliable. Instead of reworking BOMs in Excel or re-entering data into ERP systems, information moves automatically and accurately. That reduces errors, saves time, and allows teams to trust the data they receive. Think back to our original business model. Input money, output profit. A platform helps us compress the cycle between those 2 points by eliminating the inefficiencies that exist between departments. These inefficiencies often show up as delays, rework, or miscommunication, things that aren't always easy to measure, but that add up quickly and impact delivery times, cost, and ultimately customer satisfaction. In the visuals shown here, you'll see a sine wave representing the fluctuations caused by inefficiencies. The goal of a platform is to flatten that curve, to streamline processes, and make data flow more like a straight line from beginning to end. Continuous improvement in this context isn't just about individual departments doing better. It's about reducing the friction between them. Over the past 30 years, Solidworks has helped streamline engineering processes by eliminating manual tasks, improving design efficiency, and connecting the dots across the entire business. So when you hear us talk about platforms, we're talking about a bigger picture. We're talking about transforming your entire business into a connected, efficient, and repeatable process that consistently leads to profit. It's about shrinking the gaps between departments, aligning data, and building a system that supports growth, innovation, and continuous improvement across the board. At the end of the day, a platform is about turning your business vision into reality, creating a repeatable, reliable, and profitable operation that works not just department by department, but as a whole.
Discover how the 3D Experience platform can help connect all your most valuable stakeholders, tools, and data in one secure, cloud-based environment. Visit the website now